Hey, good rainy Sunday morning, YouTube. Hugmeister's Garage and Workshop. Showing what we bought here. We sold our 99 F350 and we bought a 2016 F350. Got a pretty good deal off auction site. Pretty good shape. I had to put some rear brakes and shocks on it. It might need a little front end work, but I don't know if the Goodyear guy was trying to scam me on that part or not, but I did do the other stuff. But we brought her home. I've been dialing her up a little bit, put some LED headlights in it, and the other day I put a new horn system in this. And I'll show you what we used. Hold on a second, we'll see if we can get it open this time. Okay. What we ended up going with was one of those surprise Vevor compressors, and I put a half-gallon air tank in here, and I didn't know at the time if that was going to give me enough volume to run my Hadley horn, which is a pretty good sized horn that's hanging vertical all the way from like the top of the radiator down, and it's a nice deep sounding horn. But I was surprised when this Vevor compressor showed up. It was 108 bucks off a seller on eBay, and I couldn't believe what it came with. It came with the pressure switches, it came with a wiring harness, the relay, and basically it is what it says. It's an onboard air system for 108 bucks, and it looks like it's a knockoff of one of those Jeep style, those ARWs or whatever it is, but I think it's going to work all right. It's got a 120 to 150 cutoff air switch on it, and I had 3/8 air tubing from what I used before, but I hooked the horn enable to one of my outfitter switches in there, and I put a 10-second cube relay in there I got off of Amazon, so it'll, after it's enabled, it'll wait 10 seconds to start. So if you're starting your truck, that compressor is trying to start. So that I thought that'd be a pretty good idea to do. But I mean, for the money, I couldn't believe what came with that compressor, and I've had good luck on all the Vevor stuff. But we'll go around, start her up, and we'll give you a demo. Hang with me. See, I turn that switch on. We'll see if she calls for air. There she goes. I did make one mistake though. I got in a hurry one night because it was warm out and I wanted to do it. I should have put a little bit of rubber isolation damper under the bracket, but the next time I take off the nose of the truck where I can reach the screws, I'll probably just remount it and put some rubber pieces under it. But it's, you know, it doesn't run that long because the tank's not that big. So when she tops off, we'll give you a taste of what this horn sounds like. Put some new seat covers in as well. Say, the truck's pretty clean for a municipal truck. Here we go. It's a pretty nice horn, nice compact. I didn't want to put a full train horn set in like my other video I had, but I say you get a couple good toots out of it before it starts to call for air. But well, there she is. Have a good one, YouTube.